The easy-to-use RX4 automatic tablet and capsule counter counts all shapes and sizes of tablets and capsules faster and more accurately than you ever thought possible. For inventory counting, simply put the medication on the turntable, press the inventory mode button, and press start. You can even dispense the medication directly back into your stock bottle. For a single prescription, push the single mode button and enter the desired quantity on the keypad. Your prescription is automatically dispensed into the top collection drawer. When the drawer is removed, excess pills are automatically deposited into the bottom drawer for return to inventory. The multiple mode is ideal for pre-packaging and filling multiple prescriptions with the same medication and quantity. Push the multiple mode button, enter the desired quantity on the keypad, and press start to begin counting. The useful vial drawer makes dispensing into any type of receptacle a breeze. You can repeat this process as many times as necessary. The RX4 will dispense the exact same quantity every time.